Meaning of Elstree Studios.
Elstree Studios.
Elstree Studios.
Elstree Studios.
Elstree Studios. Elstree Studios is a film and television production facility located in Borehamwood, Hertfordshire, England. The studio has been home to numerous successful productions, including Star Wars, The Shining, and Indiana Jones. It was originally founded in 1925 and has since undergone several changes in ownership, but has remained a popular destination for filmmakers due to its state-of-the-art facilities and convenient location near London. Today, the studio continues to be an important part of the British film industry, attracting both domestic and international productions.